Today we are making this complex scroll-based animation. Watch out what happens when I start scrolling. As you can see, the whole background image is moving. And if you watch closely, you can see that this muddy water is moving, the wheel is moving, his hands are moving, and also the vase is getting the shape, the desired shape. Pretty complex animation, and yet I achieved that with only something like 10 lines of JavaScript. And what's best, you can use this to achieve some of the iconic animations such as this Apple animation or lots of other animations. Basically, your creativity is the limit. Okay, let's see what is the secret here. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Now let's see what is the secret here, what's behind this complex animation. This is where we will start. As you can see, my image is not moving at all. Let me show you my code. Okay, here is the secret. This is not a background image, but instead it is a video. I'm using a video. And then I have this button and the title's positioned absolute over the video. So what I will do is I will get the current scroll position on the screen, and with that position I will manipulate the video playing time, meaning that if we are not started scrolling, the video time will be 0, and as soon as we scroll out of our video, my video playing time will be close to the finish. This video is only something like 4 seconds long. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, welcome to JavaScript. As you can see, I'm getting my video by ID, and first I will get the duration of this video. So I will define the constant duration, and it will be our video dot duration. Now let's try to console log this duration and see what we have. As you can see, I get not a number. Now, why is that the case? Why is this happening? The thing is that my script is loaded faster than my video, so I'm trying to access the video duration, but I still my video is not loaded fully. Therefore, I need to do some changes. Here, I need to listen, add event listener for our video. And the event we are going to listen is loaded metadata. This event will trigger once all of the metadata of our video is loaded, including our duration. Okay, so in this case, I will make a function. Now I will create a function called, let's say, update video time. And I will move these two lines inside the block of this function, and then down here I will call my update video time function. Okay, let's save this, and now as you can see, I'm getting 448, which is the exact duration of my video. Nice. Now I need to find the position of my scroll relative to this video. So for that, I will first find the position of the bottom of our video, and when this video is fully scrolled out of sight, this position of the bottom will be 0, and I will compare that position with the whole height of our video. Okay, so let's see how to do that. Here I will define a new constant called bottom, and it will be video. I will use get bounding client rect method, and I will get the bottom of my video. And then I will define a new constant called height, which will be video dot client height. This will give me the height of my video. Okay, now let's console log these two, bottom and height, to see what we are getting in our console. And let's in fact immediately subscribe to the scroll event on our window. I will add event listener. We will be listening for a scroll, and on scroll we will be calling update video time function. Okay, let's save this and see what we get in our console. Okay, as you can see, I'm having two values that are almost the same. This is the bottom of my video, and this is the whole height. Now, as soon as I start scrolling, as you can see, the bottom is getting close to the zero and even going to the negative value, and of course the height is still the same. Okay, now I only need to compare these two values, and to get the fraction I will divide these two values and get the fraction, and with that fraction I will multiply the duration of my video. Okay, so for that I will define a new constant called fraction, and it will be bottom divided by height. Okay, and so now let's console log this fraction to see what am I talking about. Okay, here is our fraction. It's close to 1, and as we start scrolling it's getting smaller, and finally somewhere here is get close to 0, and then it goes below 0. Okay, but I need these values to be the opposite. I need to subtract them from 1. So I will say that my fraction is equals 1 minus bottom slash height. Okay, let's see the difference now. Okay, now this is close to 0, and when I start scrolling it's getting closer to 1. As you can see, we reversed this fraction, which is what we wanted. Of course, initially we will multiply our video time with 0, and then as we scroll, this will be closer to 1. And if you can see that here it's going over 1, so we need to prevent that because we don't have that video time. Okay, we will define a constant called, let's say, new time, and as I said, this will be duration times fraction. Okay, and let's now console log this new time to see what we are now having. Okay, this is our new time for our video, as initially it's very close to 0, and as we scroll it's increasing, and finally when our video is out of sight it will be I think my video is 4.4 in length, so that's good. We only need to prevent that it's going above the whole duration of my video, and to be not to be below 0. So here, when I define my new time, I will use mat.max, and I will use the value whichever is the maximum of 0 and duration time fraction. Okay, this will prevent it to go below 0, but still I need to make sure that my time is not exceeding the duration of the video. So here, instead of just this, I will again use mat, but this time I will make sure to have the minimum between the duration and this duration times fraction. Okay, let's save this. Okay, let's now start scrolling, and as you can see now my time is not going over 448, which is the duration of my video. Nice. Now the last thing is, just instead of console logging this new time, I will set the current time of our video with the current time property you have on your videos. I will set that time to our new time variable. All right, and with that we are all set. I will save the changes. As you can see, now we are updating with each scroll. Here we have the listener. We update the new time of the video with the scroll position, and also I'm calling this function initially to set the position of my video to the initial scroll position. Okay, let's test all of this and see if we were successful. So I will close this, and now when I start scrolling, my video should start playing. As you can see, it's moving. Okay, awesome. Okay, like you saw, this was not difficult at all. It was very simple, but yet powerful. With that, you can make much more beautiful animation than this one. If you have the better videos, you can make that Apple animation, or even much better than that. It gets down to the quality of your video. Okay, and of course you can fine tune this depending on your video. Here, when you get this fraction, you can, for example, add the number to this plus 100 or minus 100, or even you can divide by 2. You can fine tune this to see to fit your video type. For my purpose, I'm happy with only this. Okay, with that we're all set, and as you can see, my video based animation is working, and that is it for this time. I hope this was useful to some of you. If you had a value out of this video, as always, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I thank you for watching this, and see you next time. Bye bye.